Hello friends, this is Supreet Kaur and I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to talk about weight management, right? As you all know, BMI is measurement of our optimum weight. As per our height, our weight should be in proportion to our height. That is called BMI. But nowadays, when we are observing everyone around us, many people are obese. Their BMI is too high and incidence of obesity is becoming very high in India. That maybe because of our lifestyle changes, our food choices, junk food, stagnant jobs we do, and excessive use of social media. There's lack of exercise, lack of physical activity, and there are so many other reasons which we can attribute to obesity. Right. And obesity, as you all know, it causes many lifestyle diseases as well as it causes hormonal imbalance, especially in women. When you have hormonal imbalance, your obesity risk is there, and when you have obesity, your hormones will not be in balance. Right. This is the balance which your body has to get. Right. So, how to tackle it? How to maintain a healthy weight? First, you check your BMI. If it is okay, then you can continue whatever lifestyle you are leading. Physical exercise is a must, right? We should drink more water. And another way, when we talk about weight management, what comes to our mind is diet, some fad diet, this diet, that, and when we stop doing the diet, our weight increases automatically, right? But that should not be the thing. Our weight should be managed in a proper scientific way. So we bring to you this excellent product called Westlim range. Westlim range is scientifically proven product, and this it has four products in this range. First one is Westlim capsules. Westlim capsules are made from Opuntia vulgaris and Garcinia cambogia. These are fruit extracts from some wild fruits. They are derived, and it reduces our hunger pangs. Suppose if I feel whenever I feel hungry, suppose I eat a person, an average person, is 6 rotis. If I am using these capsules, my diet will be restricted to 3 to 4 rotis. Like that, it will help me manage my hunger and hunger pangs. Right. What it does, it converts a excessive fat into energy, so that we need not have more energy more through food. Our fat is converted into energy. Due to that, it is very easy way and very healthy way to control our hunger. And as you all know, whenever we are feeling like hungry, we want to have samosa or mirchi like that. We like to have some unhealthy snacks, tasty but unhealthy snacks. Sorry to say that. I know many will be feeling bad, but instead of that we can instead go for fruit, or we can go for some salad, like that, and like that we can manage it. And another thing is Westling shake, one of my favorites, right? It is shake means, it doesn't mean a very tasteless thing, or how many times I have to take this shake whole day. If I am taking this shake, what about my other food requirements? See, this is one meal replacement we can do with this shake, and generally we suggest replace your dinner, because after dinner we sleep, right? Instead of dinner, we can take this wrestling shake in skimmed milk or water, and it is available in four. It is available in four hell. It is available in four tasty flavors: vanilla, mango, rose kheer, and this is kulfi flavor. Yeah, kulfi. Yeah, favorite for many. This is kulfi flavor, one of my favorites, and it has lot of badam in it, right? Uh, right. What we need to do? We need to take this instead of our dinner. Okay, and it has in 25 grams of serving, it has 9 grams protein, very high protein content. And when I'm talking about protein, taking protein is one thing, and digesting it should be in digestive form. It should be digestible by our body. That is different thing. So in this PDCAS, protein digestion capacity is there. That is one which is highest protein absorption is there, low glycemic index, and fiber is also there in this, 20 vitamins and minerals, and no trans fat. It has sucralose, not sucrose. Sucralose is 0 calorie sweetener, right? So with this is the healthy and tasty way to lose weight. If I want to lose weight, I'll definitely go with this. Right. And next one is wrestling tea. Oh, tea, all our favorite. As you all know, taking tea or coffee with milk causes so many problems in our body. It is main cause of acidity, and it doesn't help much in weight loss. So we are introducing wrestling tea. It has green coffee and green tea extract. As you all know, green tea is very good for weight loss. It is very tasty form, and it is easy to use. Anyone can carry this box or bottle, and we can store it in a small container and use in our office. We need to just mix it in a cup of water, and we can have it anytime as and when we like. Instead of tea, we can go with this, right? So this is another tasty form, and another product we have is from Westlin Shake Mix that contains fiber, and we should mix it with this shake, and we can mix and match both of them and take it. So this is very healthy way. Apart from using this product, we need to do some physical exercise. Not hardcore, at least physical, little exercise, walking, whatever it is. We need to do some exercise. We need to go to, instead of junk food and other oily snacks, we can replace them with salads and fruits, and there are many other things which we can use. If you want to get healthy BMI, healthy body mass index, and keep your health in a good shape, then you can contact us, or you can contact the person who is sending you this video. So thank you. Wish you well.